this is what we're getting into today. I feel like y'all probably seen this already. It's been taking over TikTok, YouTube, all that good stuff. So this is the instant up and down. So it does say that you can do wear it as a half wig, you do a low ponytail, a up ponytail, however many ponytails you want to do. And I got the color 1. I had to try this. If you know, you know. You probably don't. But if you do, you know. I do feel like I'm the person that bought half up, half down to YouTube, but we're not going to get into that long time ago. So my hair is already prepped and ready, and the only thing I have to do is put the hair on. This is what the ponytail piece looks like. Ponytail is very long, like very long. I guess like a loose curl type of situation. You wrap this around, and here's the other part. What is happening here? Why is it curled like that? Am I tripping? Like, are those supposed to be layers? These are some crazy ass layers. To prepare for this hairstyle, of course, you split your hair in half. I got mine in a little bun. I did flat iron my leave out and all that stuff. I didn't flat iron the back, and I just put 2. What the hell? Yeah, my computer want to keep doing stuff while I'm trying to record. So I do recommend, doing some type of braid or something in the back so that you can have something to latch the combs onto. So they put this on first. I'm trying to put this as close to the part. I do wish they would have put like some type of combs on the sides right here, because it's feeling a little strange, okay? Let's pull the drawstring and see what happens. Okay, so the drawstring does make it feel a bit tighter. Again, I'm not really sure what they were trying to do with these curls at the top. They really should have like put a little bit more layers into it, but it's giving a little bit. This piece has a comb here and a comb here. I have never done anything like this in my life. Come on, we act right. So here we are. It's cute, it's convenient, and it's cute. Now I'm a little, this little wraparound, that little wraparound part, I feel like it needs to have a little bit more hair in it. I think what they were trying to do with the little hairs at the top, then it's full and all of it kind of like flows together type of ordeal. It's not bad. Like, it'll definitely get the job done. This part right here is giving not really quite on, but the back, I can get with the back, y'all. The back is just like, it's so convenient. Like, I always wanted to make my own little patch of hair in the back to put on for a half up, half down. So it's definitely convenient. This was under $30. Probably the best convenient style I've tried this year. Like, I know I've been doing like headband wigs. I like this as a headband wig. It just gives you a different, it gives you a different vibe, and it's convenient. Shout out to whoever came up with this. However, work on this a little bit. Work on this one a little bit. Just a little bit, or just give it to us as tracks or something, or a drawstring ponytail, something. This little wraparound method right here ain't really 100% there yet. But I do like this. I think this is bomb. Everybody should get y'all should get this. Love this. Love the convenience of it. Love the look of it. It's definitely one of those things like you don't have to put no thought into. Yes, it's a little bit more work because you have to, get this part together, but it's not that hard. It's really not that bad. So yeah, I love this, get you one. I ordered mine off Amazon. I'll leave it linked below. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all next time. Okay, y'all, so ignore my edges because it's making my hair look white. But I just was like, let me put this on as a half a wig and see what it look like. I ain't really styled it for real, but it's like, it's giving a little, giving like natural. It's being messy, so it's giving, you know, it's giving me. But no, yeah, and the texture of this hair is kind of like, it's textured. It's not like super silky, so that's a good thing, you know. It don't blend with my hair or nothing like that, but it's better than just like some super silky hair. So I just wanted to show y'all. I was just playing with it, and it's kind of giving a little some. So if you do want to wear it down, I do think it has potential.